Hi, I'm Ria, and today I have with us Ms. Vandana Vadwa, one of my personal favorite clients, whose house we have recently done with regard to furniture, decor, and quite a few more things. So let's hear it from her. How do you feel now?
Good evening. I've worked with several vendors in the past, but Bo Concept and truly Ria stand different. The way the entire experience was, the approach, it wasn't just about selling furniture. It was how through her creativity, through her intuition, and about the aesthetic clarity that she got into my space, and it feels completely personal and just from where the concept was there, turned the dream into a real feeling that I'm living now every single day.
Remember when we first started this, you had a lot of things in mind when it comes to colors, patterns, what you would want to do with your space. So now that everything is coming together, how do you feel?
I think I was very clear that I'm not just looking for furniture because there are endless vendors in the market, and I wanted something which feels like me.
True.
Something which is very minimalistic, clean lines and luxury, but understated luxury.
Correct,
So I think
correct.
Bo Concept, and especially Ria, when she helped us in creating all that thing, it came out really well.
I am very certain now that when I see everything coming together, it truly reflects her. Now, if anyone who's watching this, what would you like to tell them if they are on the verge of doing their interiors, furnitures? What do you have to say about me, Bo Concept?
So I think you can completely trust Bo Concept, and they are different actually. And I think if you trust them and share your open thoughts about how you want to, what is the feeling behind the space that you want to create, I think rest you can just leave it to them, and I'm sure that it will come out much better than anyone imagined.
Us. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to do the space which is truly yours, and we have just placed it together and made your imagination true. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Ria. Thank you,
you.
Bo Concept. Thanks.